Hello guys and welcome. In this video tutorial I'll give you my ideas on how to add two columns to the contact form 7. In the end it's pretty simple. Say we have a contact form 7 somewhere on our page and we are not satisfied with the fact that it only displays one column, right? So if we want to make it two columns, say we want our name and your name and your email to display in two columns, and we want the rest of the fields to display in a single column. This is pretty simple, and I'll show you how to do it. So if you are logged in, what you have to do is you have to go to your backend, right? You have to click on contact, and then you have to click on contact forms. Then once you pick one of the forms that you have set up yourself, you'll click on edit it, and you'll see this area which is a bit confusing to one who doesn't know HTML. However, it's pretty simple. Just wrap your content in a simple div called cgrid, right? Cgrid here and cgrid here. So we have a div, we have a class, and voila. That's everything you need to know. Then click on save, right? You'll see your form. If you take a look at the inspector, if you're using Chrome, you'll see that those two fields were wrapped in a cgrid div. So you have two label elements inside that cgrid element, and then you have all of the other elements outside of that cgrid. Now what you want to do is to create a custom style, which you can actually do pretty simply. If you go to theme customizer, and if you go to the custom additional CSS section, you'll be able to paste it somewhere here. So it's pretty simple. If you click on this, if you add this role which says display grid, right? And if you added this rule which says grid template columns, which means that each column will take 50% of the width, you'll see that your elements will be displayed in two rows instead of a one. Now then, you may also want to add some space between. This is added by the gap attribute, which is pretty simple. If you go back to that form, you see that I have wrapped that form in a custom div with a class named C custom contact form 7. Then you apply that whole rule to the specific element, which is our cgrid, and with those three simple rows, you'll be able to achieve two column layout for your gravity form, for your contact form 7 form. I'm not sure how to actually explain that more clearly, but I guess that this video should come in handy for you.